Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on the 13th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of December, 2024, our system has identified Meta as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.75. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 1.41%. This equates to an average return of 0.11% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a modest upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential for further ascent within this trend. The 3-month trend points to a possible change of approximately 7.54% over the coming 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 5.17% to 14.48%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of around 35.98% over the next year, with possible returns spanning from 19.32% to 44.50%. This suggests a price range between $725.87 to $879.03 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, Meta stock downgraded to buy candidate. On the last trading day, which was Monday, 13th of January, 2025, the Meta stock price decreased by 1.22%, dropping from $615.86 to $608.33. During this day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 1.76%, with a low of $598.45 and a high of $608.97. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, though it is still up by 0.83% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which often suggests a positive trend, as volume typically follows the stock's movement. On that day, the trading volume fell by 9 million shares, with a total of 11 million shares exchanged for approximately $6.47 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $638.40, while the lowest was $358.61. Currently, the price stands 4.71%, or $30.07, below the 52-week high of $638.40, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Tech stocks endured a challenging day, with significant declines affecting major players, including Meta Platforms. Nevertheless, Meta stood out as one of the few firms in the Magnificent Seven that remained relatively stable amid the turmoil. This resilience may strengthen investor confidence in the short term, especially as the company strategically positions itself against competitors like Nvidia. Mark Zuckerberg's shift towards appealing to a more conservative audience has faced criticism, yet it could attract a segment of advertisers that resonate with that demographic, indicating a potential increase in advertising revenue in the future. In addition, Meta's new content strategy, which emphasizes original material, could prove advantageous, especially with the possibility of a TikTok ban on the horizon. These initiatives might boost user engagement and enhance the platform's value. Moreover, the expected Supreme Court ruling on TikTok could create a favorable landscape for Meta's offerings, particularly Instagram Reels, ultimately benefiting the company in the long run. However, the end of third-party fact-checking may raise concerns about misinformation, which could impact user trust and engagement, elements that are crucial for sustained growth. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Wolf Research assigned Meta an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 2nd of January, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Meta an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a sell and the price-to-book ratio a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock currently displays a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, it also signals a buy from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this creates a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $612.41. Conversely, if it declines, it will find support from the long-term average at about $601.02. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Some negative signals have also been generated, which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was noted from a pivot top point on Monday, January 6, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 3.47%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 28 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago, the long-term moving average, buy signal 111 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 104 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $591.80. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically experiences strong trading volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is deemed low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $10.53, which is 1.76% between its high and low. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.52%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively typical PE ratio, often observed in companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 30th of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $6.75. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at 613.65. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a suitable level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at 591.80. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 30th of December 2024, White Dana conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 30th of December 2024, Songhurst Charles conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 30th of December 2024, Elkan John conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of Class A common stock. On the 7th of January 2025, Newstead Jennifer conducted an insider sale of 905 shares of Class A common stock. On the 8th of January, 2025, Zuckerberg Mark conducted an insider sale of 22,946 shares of Class B common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 40.469. Overall, insiders purchased 68,838 shares and sold 163,672 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $577.85, reflecting a decrease of 5.01%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, resulting in a lower risk profile. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity, as there is a significant chance for Meta stock to perform well in the near future. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our assessment for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 14th of January, we anticipate that Meta will open lower by $3.08, starting at $605.25. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your personal investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.